If you want to improve your English, this channel is perfect for you because I am also learner and I'm not teacher. I'm learn English through this story, and today 4 episode of this story. I'm learning one by one page every day to improve English, and every page I learn flow of sentence, grammar, pronunciation, and new words. If you're learning English nowadays, you can join me. You can subscribe or watch all these episodes to improve your to help you improve your English. Hello everyone, this is Abrar here from India, and today is episode 4. So let's start. Don't waste our time because I'm already clear everything first video. Continue previous time, and she identify herself with the novel protagonist. So more than nobody else. So more than nobody else. She was the one most interesting. She was one a grandmother. To this message is grandmother. She was the one most interested in knowing what happened next in the story. Grandmother every time interesting and knowing the happen in next in the story. So writers say that then nobody else. She was the one most interested knowing what happened next in the story and used to insist. Insist means, what is the meaning of insist? Insist means effect. For example, uh, he uh, this work affect me. Affect is called insist. You can search insist meaning. uh, so let's continue. That I read the serial out to here. That I read the serial out to here. Out to here means, if you know this meaning of out to here, you can comment. If you don't know, let me explain. uh, Out to here, he called out to here. 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 And that, after hearing what happened next in Kashi Yatra. After hearing, after hearing what happened next in Kashi Yatra, she would join her friend. She would join her friend at the temple courtyard. She would join she would join her friend at the temple courtyard, where we children would also gather to play hide and seek. Where we children, we also play hide and seek game. What is the do you know the name of the game hide and seek? And you know gather, what is the meaning of gather? Gather means everyone hearing in one place is called gather. Everyone together in one place is called gather. uh, let's continue. She would discuss the latest episode. She would discuss the latest episode with her friend. She would discuss the latest episode with her friends at at the time. I never understand why there was so much of debate about this story. If you watch any movie, you can debate your friends without any reason. He hero, he villain, he main character, everything you debate your friend. But these debate, uh, nothing important and nothing give benefit to. It's just enjoy. See, daughter, I never understand why there was so much debate about this story. And once I went for a wedding with my cousin, the neighbor village. Once I wedding the cousin neighbor village. Neighbor means, I think you know. Neighbor means You know, neighbor means search Google Translate. And her neighboring village, in those day in the no- in those days, a wedding was great event. Wedding was great event. We children enjoy ourselves thoroughly. We children enjoy ourselves thoroughly. Through thoroughly. We children enjoy ourselves thoroughly. Ourself means ourself, and thoroughly means completely. uh, we would eat and play endlessly. Eat we would eat and play endlessly, non-stop. Would eat non-stop, play non-stop, and savoring the freedom because all the elders we are busy. Sab- savoring the freedom Savoring the freedom because all the elders we are busy. All the elders we are busy. The daughter say the daughter say all elders are busy. So your children enjoy children enjoy ourselves thoroughly. Eat and play endlessly. And let's continue. I went for a couple of day. I went. Daughter say wedding. Neighbor village wedding. I I go couple of day. Couple of day means 2 and 3 days. Couple of days, but end up stay there for a week. But stay there for a week. 2 and 3 days going for wedding, but stayed there 1 week. When I come back to my village, when I after wedding finish, wedding finish, 1 week finish. Then when I come back to my village, when I come back to my village, I say, I say, my grandmother, I say my grandmother tear. I say grandmother tear. I was surprised. I was surprised. I was surprised. For I had never seen her cry. I had never seen. I have never seen her cry. Her cry. Even the most difficult situation. What what had happened? I was worried. I was worried. Uh, my worried means worried means my worried means my condition is bad. I was worried. Worried means condition is bad. I was worried. uh, so I say, Avia, is everything all right? Avia, is everything all right? Granddaughter say grandmother, Avia, is everything all right? Are you okay? Avya means, I used to call here Avya, which means mother in Kannada, spoken in North Karnataka. Avya means the name of mother. For example, in mom is called Kavya in Kannada. She nodded but did not reply. She nodded but did not reply. I did not understand. I did not understand and forget about it. In the night after dinner, for example, I did not understand. He Kavya, she nodded but did not reply. I did not understand and forget about it. For what happened, I forget. In the night after dinner, Avia, don't cry. Avia, don't cry. What is in the night? In the night after dinner, we were sleep in the open terrace of house. Open terrace of house. Thank you for watching, and let's continue next day, because very huge story. And so if you interest this story, and if you like this story, you can comment. And if you are learning English nowadays, you can subscribe me, because I'm also learner. I'm not teacher, uh, this is a real journey of learning English. Thank you so much. If you don't know any words meaning, you can comment, because if you comment, I am also learn with you. Thank you so much.